Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a nursery room on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by adding some panelling to the bottom half of my wall. I'm using an item from the catalogue and repeating it around the room. I can zoom in closely on the object to make smaller adjustments in the movement of my item. I'm then going to upload my own texture by going to the left-hand side Textures panel and then Upload. I've taken a screenshot of the wallpaper I want to use and saved it to my desktop. I can then apply this to the walls. I'm going to edit the texture size by clicking on the pencil icon, top middle of the screen, and then amending it to the pattern size I want. I'm now using the catalogue to add items such as a cot and changing table. I'm using the rotate function and the resize function to position them in the place in the room. I'm now adding a wardrobe from the catalogue. I'm using the blue highlight to show me when the item is snapped to the room's outer walls. In the other alcove, I'm adding a shelf, using the resize function to make it fit the width of the alcove. I'm then adding a rocking chair below and resizing and rotating again to make it fit. I now want to add some toys and games to the room. I've gone through the catalogue and saved items I like to my shortlist so I can add them all in one go, saving me time. I can also then access them in other projects by going to the shortlist panel on the left and searching for the project's name. Next, I'm adding a ceiling light. I'm going to swap to the 2D mode, top right corner, and then ceiling mode. This will allow me to position the light in the centre of the room without any objects getting in the way. I can go back to the 3D mode to check it. I'm then going to do the same, but this time with the ceiling moulding shape with built-in lights. I'm swapping to the 2D ceiling plan mode to fit it to the room size. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right-hand corner. I can amend the internal lighting and the sun at this point using the panel on the left-hand side. To get a preview of the render, go to the bottom middle of the screen. The render will appear on the bottom right. If you're happy, click Take Render. Choose the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.